Let's talk about different forms of theft, starting with tax evasion and tax havens, where corporations and individuals protect or even launder their money. Much of this is completely legal and increasing fast. On a corporate level, investment in tax havens has quadrupled in the past couple of decades. 90% of the world's top 200 companies have a presence in tax havens. Just 50 of the biggest U.S. companies stashed over $1.6 trillion in offshore in 2015 alone. On an individual level, the Panama and the Paradise Papers provide a view of how wealthy elites around the world use tax havens to avoid or evade paying taxes on their fortunes. These tax havens cost the poor countries over $100 billion per year in lost tax revenues, enough money to provide an education for 124 million children, or to prevent the deaths of almost 8 million mothers, babies, and children a year. The taxes that are collected are increasingly regressive, like sales tax systems, mostly imposed by the Washington consensus institutions that skew the tax burden to the poor and the middle class. Fair taxation and fair resource mobilization and allocation should be a fundamental focus of the global health field and should be critical to achieving global health. Yet fair taxation and fair resource mobilization are rarely discussed as fundamental issues in global health.